Good day to you all. I want to welcome you to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn off the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I drop them. In today's videos, I'll quickly show you how you can add subtitle on your videos using Capcut. Yes, at the end of the video, I believe you will learn something very beautiful, how to add subtitle to your videos. So without wasting much of our time, let's click on the Capcut. Click on Capcut. So then you create, then you select the video you want to use from your gallery.
So packed with nutrients that offer various health
benefits.
I've
done this before, but I'm still I will make use of the video. So I will just have to change the ratio. So I will just change the ratio. So now this is the
mangoes
video.
are not only delicious.
As you can see, there is nothing on it.
Mangoes are not only delicious.
So the first thing we need to do is just to click on text. You see the text here. Then you add auto captions. See the auto captions. Once I click on it, so it's going to show different type of captions I want to use. Let me go for this pink. So I haven't done that. I'll click on generate. So it will be generating captions now. So it's generating captions already. So now let's check it. So once it's done, now we'll see the captions on it. So generating captions. Generating captions. So once it's done, now we see it on it. Captions generated. Now let's click on play.
Mangoes are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients.
So then I can increase the size. You understand? You see it.
Nutrients that offer various health benefits.
Can you see that? One of the advantages is that if anything is not correct here, I can just click on this, edit badge. So I can go through whichever one I want to correct. I will correct them. You see it as I'm scrolling on it, it's going as in it's moving to the next slide. Can you see that? So that is how to do that. And if you want to change the actions, just click on styles. You can change different actions on it. You understand? If you want to use another styles of displaying, you can choose whichever one that suits you. You understand? Let's say I go for this. This I think that should be purple. So let's say I go for it. You see it now. It's going to change. Can you see that? Already changed. And another beauty part is I can change the fonts. You understand? I can change the animations, the way it shows. I can change the effects. But there is one thing about this thing, just make sure you have better connections. You understand? So having done that, let's say I'm through with whichever one I want. That's the font. You can choose the font, change the font that suits you. So once I'm done with it, I'll click on this mark, which is okay, then play. You see it now. Play.
Contributing to overall health and well.
Can you see that? So if I want to reduce the size, so that's, can you see that? So I can just, you understand, drag it whichever one that we want. Can you see that?
Dietary fiber for digestive health.
You see it.
Mangoes are a good source of dietary fiber.
So that is how to
both
add
soluble
subtitle
and insoluble fibers.
That is how to add subtitle to your videos using Capcut. Thank you. And once you are done, you export your video. You export it. And once the export is done, you see it on your gallery. Thank you so much. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.